Hi guys, good evening, Cruise Control Mark's Garage. So guys, nag-install tayo ng cruise control dito sa Tucson 2018 ng cruise control. Check natin guys. Ayan, so guys, ito ay Hyundai Tucson. Check natin yung cruise control. Ayan, so guys, ito na yung cruise control. Tapos ito yung indicator nya. Ayan, oh. On, off, on, off. Ayan, tapos ito working din. Ayan. Tapos ito working din. Ayan, oh. Tapos ito working din. Mute, volume up, volume down. Ayan, mode. Ayan. So guys, no splicing. No splicing, no cutting guys. Ayan. Automatic transmission. So ito pala guys yung nakakabit sa kanya original. Ayan, ito lang nakakabit sa kanya. Pinalitan natin ito. Okay. Message kay guys. Dito lang kay Cruise Control Mark's Garage. Yes.